The month of May slides us right into graduation season, and when it comes to celebrating your student, you want to get personal and make a big splash at the same time. Well, we've got a way to make a big impact at your teen's graduation party for just a few dollars and about 20 minutes of your time. Balloon artist, our friend Mary Leishman, is here to show us how to stack up your students' school colors with a balloon centerpiece. It's so good to see you.
Hi, it's so good to see you.
You have a Hawaii glow about you.
I have a Hawaii glow.
You're
I just
looking
got back
good
from vacation.
You're looking good. Welcome back to Utah.
Thank you.
Winter/spring.
I know.
I know.
What is it? Sixth winter?
So means
Fifth winter?
something. But graduation season is coming. That we know brings a lot of warm, happy memories. And this idea of a balloon centerpiece, so practical, so cute.
So cute.
I love it.
So easy.
Okay.
That's what people don't realize. They see things like this and they think, oh, that's going to take me so long, I can't do it by myself, but they are so simple.
Okay, because it's a structure. That's what makes me nervous.
I mean,
we've created something here. You have. Show us how. Show us how.
I'm going to show you how. So today, I'm going to show you how to make this one. I'm also going to show you a little bit how to dress it up. This one is the exact same, but it just has small balloons on it.
Look how cute.
So all you're going to need is 8 latex balloons.
Okay.
And 1 foil balloon. Here, I have 2 options. I've blown one up. This is what the foil packaging looks like.
Yeah.
So I've blown up the bottom structure, which was just these 4 balloons. You can do any color you want.
And they're just tied in the center?
I'm going to show you exactly how to do it.
Okay.
And so we'll do the top structure, the 4 on top right here, and I'll show you how to tie them together. So I know you're scared of balloons.
Go ahead.
Close your eyes.
Go ahead.
Plug your ears. Oh, this one is not wanting to work. Sorry, everyone. Okay, so we have our 2 gold.
Yes.
I always like to tie my balloons together. That helps you not hurt your fingers.
Okay.
I let some air out. Try and make sure they're about the same size. Those look about the same size to me.
Look at this.
I tie them together.
Balloon artist at work.
Balloon artist at work. I'm gonna do it same with these green.
I think we're going Hunter High School with these colors, right?
I was thinking, yeah, something like that.
I think it's Hunter.
Sorry, I don't know what's happening here. Okay, this has never happened, but
it's not wanting to cooperate.
It's not wanting to cooperate, but I'll do it with this really quick.
All right. See,
this is why we bring, you know.
She's got backup.
I got backup.
Nothing's gonna slow her down. Can I hold that for you?
Yeah.
I will.
Hold what?
Well, are you gonna pump the other one?
Yeah, I am. Oh, the balloon.
The balloon.
Yes. I was thinking Brooke was going on.
I'm just holding your balloon for you.
Okay, so we're gonna blow up all 4 of these balloons.
Okay.
If you have the Amazon pink pump, usually it works. I don't know what's going on today.
All right, tie that up.
Today's a special day, I guess.
And then we loop it.
Yep, we tie these together, make sure they're the same size. And then we're just going to put the 2 together like this.
It's magic. It's balloon magic.
It's balloon magic. So that was super simple. That's what we did for the bottom.
All right, Mary, about a minute. How do we top this off?
Okay, here's how we top it off. We're going to use some yarn, some string. You can use anything. You can use fishing line. You can use yarn.
Okay.
You're going to tie it around the center.
Yes.
And then put it, and then tie it to the other.
Look at that, and you've created a balloon stack.
I've created this balloon stack.
How do you secure the big guy on top?
With the yarn.
With the yarn.
I'm holding the yarn right here in my hand.
All right.
All I'm gonna do,
look at that.
is tie it to here.
Minutes, and we have a balloon centerpiece. You mentioned the guy over your shoulder. That's just the same structure with little balloons.
Same structure.
And look how you've used that same structure to prop up the big 2022 numbers.
Yeah, and all we do with that, we use the yarn again, put it on these little guys, and we'll just stick them in there, stick them wherever you want. So,
Mary,
super easy, super fast.
How can we connect with you if we want balloon support for all of our events?
If you want balloon support, you can find me at Mayberry Balloon Co. On Instagram, and my website is mayberryballoonco.com.
All right, we'll link you over. Thanks so much.
Thank you, Brooke.